Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. Today is a very special video. As you can tell by the title, it's 24 hours in the life and it's a collaboration. I put this together and I invited some of my favorite YouTubers. So please make sure you check down the playlist below and you will see everyone that is taking part. So the rules of this collaboration are you film your life for 24 hours. So I am starting right now. It's 2 p.m. on Friday and I will finish tomorrow at 2 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here and you're coming from one of the other channels, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys like it, and if you want, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. With that being said, let's get started. So like I said, it's 2 o'clock. There you go, exactly. I'm desperately trying to upload a video for you, and I've just finished making over these two candlesticks. If you guys have followed me for a little while, you've seen them. It's on my Instagram as well. I basically bought the candlesticks for 20p each, and then I used one of my dessert plates and one of my dinner plates as the top to make a cake stand. I have ordered a replacement, so my dinner set is still intact and it's on its way to me. So I just thought I would show you. They look so lush. So basically 20p and the plate is £2.50, £2.70. And then this plate is £2 plus 20p, £2.20. And the only thing I did buy as well was the glue, which was like £6, and it's the E6000, but that I can use for other projects as well. So that's that. The other thing, I had the loveliest card come in the post today from my friend Claire, just basically saying welcome to your new house, and she sent me as well these amazing candles. She lives in Cornwall, so look, these are made in Cornwall. Sea salt. They smell amazing. I mean, I've had them since yesterday. I've not even opened the package and the whole room smells of this. It smells so good. If you can get your hands on these, it's well worth it. So I've just made myself a coffee. It's a vanilla latte, and I'm gonna chill out until 3 o'clock when I have to get Alex from school. Today is his last day before half term, so he's going to be off school for a week, which is awesome and not so awesome, you know. Awesome that I don't have to rush in the mornings, but I'll still be getting up early because Alex wakes up at around 7, half 7 if I'm lucky. So, but it would be nice to take things easy and to spend some time with him as well. I have lots planned. I'm going to see different friends, and what that means is actually I've been filming videos for you in advance, so I can still spend some time with Alex, if that makes sense. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy my coffee and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Time to go and get Alex from school. Just baking dinner, just cooking up some chicken and some wedges in my air fryer. There we go. And I'm going to make a salad as well. So here's dinner. Alex is having some wedges and chicken, and I'm having wedges, chicken and a salad. So we've just finished dinner and now I'm going to handle this mess. All done. Just my water there. These turned out so nice. So even though it's only 20 past 6, as you can see, I think I'm gonna go and get changed into my pajamas. We're not going anywhere. I'm just gonna do it. So Alex and I are about to watch a film together as a little treat. It's called The Son of Bigfoot. Right, okay.
2 weeks and I need direction, all you'll see is trees.
Shave your back.
No, I don't shave anything.
This is amazing. My hands and back are where it started. By the time I was 12, I was waxing my back every weekend with duct tape. But you're different. It's like you've got all the good stuff, but none of the fur.
How is any of this good stuff?
There's a lot of good things about being a Bigfoot. You're standing on that ledge.
Night night.
Get a snake then.
I'll get you the snake. Night
I'm
night.
going to use these guys to protect me.
They'll protect you. I love you.
Love you. Mama.
Hello, good morning. It is almost 10 o'clock in the morning, 9:55, and Alex and I have just been sat on the sofa watching a bit of telly. I've been catching up on my social media, that kind of stuff, and I came and got ready, just made the bed and got myself dressed, and I realised that my video hadn't gone live at 9 a.m. like it usually does. Yeah, something went wrong, but it's live now. I have to say, the first comment was from my brother. It's a video about cooking, and he mentions that he's going to have bifana. Bifana is a Portuguese dish. I think it's pork, but it's very thinly sliced and cooked in like a sauce that has tomatoes and wine and beer and spices, and I mean, it makes the meat super tender. The meat is as thin as sliced ham, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to think if it is pork or beef. I'm not sure. But anyway, if you don't know this, my brother lives in Iceland, but he's going back to Portugal next week. So he's teasing me saying, yeah, your food looks really good, but I'll be having some bifana. Cheeky. Very cheeky. I love you, actually, and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Anyway, I still haven't decided what we're going to do this morning. I'm thinking maybe we'll go out. It's really cold, but I'm thinking we'll go out somewhere. I don't know. I'll decide in a minute. Okay, so I've just finished washing up from breakfast and gave everything a quick wipe. So I just got these white cushions. They're like the Magnolia, but they're faux, you know, they're not real. Excuse Alex over there. But basically this sofa is really quite cold in the winter, so I wanted to make it a bit cozier. I took the other white cushions up to my bedroom. I got these in from Next, actually. And I'll put a link below in case you're interested. So we've decided we're going to go to a garden centre. It's a different one from the one I took you guys to. I love that kind of place. It has home decor, has plants, it has toys, you know, books. So let's go. That's right, we've got that one, haven't we? These look really good.
Have you got some?
No, not that one.
Have you got this?
No.
I know that Santa's on his way. He's on his way.
So we are back from the garden centre. We ended up having a little bite to eat while we were there, just a sandwich, nothing special. But I'm going to show you what I got there. It wasn't much. And also we stopped quickly in a local shop and just picked up a few bits. I'm going to show you that. So this is what we got in the shop. These spooky caramel shortcake bites. They look really yummy. We also got some soft sliced buns because I bought some burgers. I've already put them in the fridge. I asked Alex what he wanted for dinner. He said burgers. And then I got as well some lattes, which I'm going to have in a minute. And then in the garden centre, I got this plant. I've seen these before. These are so light. And I'm going to put this in my bedroom. Now, I know some of you are quite good with plants. If you know what this plant is, will you let me know in the comments how to look after it? Because it didn't come with instructions and I'm a bit of a plant killer, so I want to try and do the best I can for it. I also picked up this candle. Alex absolutely loved the smell and so did I. Let me see if I can show you. It's Forbidden Apple. It just smells like apple, basically. I don't know what's forbidden about it, but that was $1.99. I think this was $4.99. Let me see. Oh, $4.99, which I thought it was quite good. And then Alex fell in love with this little Christmas tree decoration. Look how cute. So we got it to put in our tree, and that was $1.99. We also did end up buying some toys for Alex. They're from their brand. Is it Schley? I'll show you because I can't pronounce it, but it's a really good brand. Let me show you.
The stuff off them.
You got the labels off. So here's the brand. It's this Schley. I don't know.
And it's not for or low 3.
It's not for under 3s. That's
Not
right.
for under 3.
Are you older than 3?
Yeah,
How old are you?
5.
So this is what we got.
Why did you not?
2 crocodiles and an anaconda, we think.
And we also have a good.
Okay. So Alex and I might now watch the rest of the film that we started watching last night. We didn't finish it because Alex was bored, but I really want to see the end of it. It's called Bigfoot's Son. Hello. So I was just talking to Paul. I've put the tiniest little clip here for you. Say hello.
Hello.
And just like that, you guys, it is 2 o'clock almost. It's been 24 hours in the life and that 24 hours is over. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to all the other ladies that took part in this collab. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please go and check them out and I'll see you guys tomorrow for more Vlogtober. Bye.